Okay, hey, so thank you for tuning into my channel. This is the first video that I'll do unboxing. So as you can see here, I have the Osmo DJI Pocket 4 Pro. All right, so I'm going to be unboxing this for you, showing you all the content that comes in this package here. This is the vlog combo that I purchased yesterday at a Japanese electronics store. So thank you for tuning in, and let's get started. All right, so just look at the box on the back here. It's gonna really show all the items that are in here, but save us some time. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop that open and get started. Here we go. So the price point was 113,000 yen, which is about $750 for this camera. It's one of the newest cameras by DJI. In fact, I'm recording on the Pocket 3, so this will be an upgrade for me. You can see, that's it for the box. Move that off to the side. There's some stickers in here and some information. There you go. And here, it's like there's a pouch in here. So let's see if we can open that up right quick. All right, so got a DJI Osmo pouch with some more advertisement and one of those absorbent packs. So moisture, move that off to the side, leave that here. And the star of the show is this puppy here. Man, this bag is actually quite heavy. Got some weight to it. A couple accessories in here. And then you can see more labeling. Osmo on the side here. Zipper. And there are quite a few items in here. So you can see all of that. Let's just start pulling them out. Looks like this is the battery. Yep. Okay. Got a USB-C charging port with a tripod connector at the bottom of it. Set that here. Here looks like the microphone. Yep, DJI microphone. Quite small. It's pretty nice. Okay. And I believe these are the clips and a magnet for the microphone as well. Go. Oh, all that came out really quickly. So I'll leave that DJI there. Oh, that's interesting. Magnet is pretty strong. Gotta keep those puppies separated there, right? Okay, here is that light adapter. This is quite light, and it clips on. So, see that? Okay. And there's another little mini tripod. So, we can get that open. What else is in here? Several cables, charging cables. My understanding is one for the mic, there's one for the camera itself, and the other one is for the this remote viewer. All right, so let's go ahead and open that up. I think a lot of folks want to see that. Just a viewfinder here. So it has its own special charging device, but you can see what's on the actual camera monitor when utilizing this. So if you're vlogging by yourself, you can control it from here. There's that little wind sock for your mic. Charging cable. And okay, so this is the charging cable for this piece here. Okay. And this is the charging cable for the microphone. And it should just pop into here like this here. Cable. It's also a lanyard that you can attach, so a little strap for the camera itself. And the star of the show is actual camera here. Let's see if I can get this out of the pack without dropping it anywhere. That wouldn't be cool. Alrighty, and there we go. That is, and it's got a sticker off of there, but that is the DJI Pocket 4 Pro edition. So, let's see if I can get some of these stickers off of here. All right, there you go. DJI Pocket 4 Pro. Again, it was released on the 30th of June in Asia, so I was able to pick it up here in Japan, in Okinawa. I think they're still trying to figure out what's going on in the United States for the release of this. It does have some weight to it, and let's see if we can turn this puppy on while I have it here. Voila, there you go, and there you go. All right. Osmo DJI Pocket 4 Pro. Thank you for watching.